Talking about the stock market today, talking about gas prices, talking about consumer sentiment, and to help us with that, we have Polya Lesova from Market Watch, who is, I believe, you just moved to the New York office here, right?
Yep, I did.
All right, well, welcome to the Big
welcome.
Apple.
Thank
Did
you.
I say Apple?
You did Apple. That's right. That reminds me. There's
That reminds me, there's
they have an
a
iPad out
company
today?
named Apple, isn't there? All right, Polya, we kid. We kid a lot here. Let's talk about the market today. Break down the market. We had a lot of interesting data this morning.
A lot of interesting data today. U.S. stocks were trading slightly higher until we got consumer confidence data,
Right.
which showed an unexpected drop in March. And this was unexpected, though in some ways we should probably think, well, gas prices are on the rise, so is it
Exactly.
really
Right.
that
Right,
unexpected?
it was unexpected by the market,
Exactly.
which had priced in a higher level of the consumer confidence. But
Exactly.
you're right. I mean, gas prices have been going up. We've all known they've been going up. So, yeah,
was kind
to
of
the people on the street, it's no
Yeah,
surprise.
kind of surprising that the sentiment numbers have actually been kept rising along with gas
Right.
prices that we've seen lately.
They have, exactly. And in recent days, we've had largely positive economic data from the U.S., but it seems that consumer confidence is still something to worry about. And so the U.S. stock market moved lower after that data. And we also have to remember this week, U.S. stocks have had a very strong run. Both the S&P 500 and the Dow are on track for gains of more than 2% on the week. The Dow had a seven session winning streak until yesterday. The S&P 500 closed above 1400
right.
for the first time since June 2008. So maybe investors are
Yeah,
taking
and
some
then,
profit.
I mean, the consumer prices this morning, we got the CPI report at 8:30, right? And that was a little under market expectations, but still shows the effect of gasoline prices. You saw it in there sharply.
Right. And we saw PPI yesterday, which was a little bit not as hot on the headline too. And what's interesting though is I think that companies in the manufacturing reports that we saw out of Philly and New York, companies are still talking about price pressures, and I think consumers are obviously still concerned about price pressures too.
Yeah, and Jeff Lacker's concerned about price pressures too, right?
Well, the Fed, Richmond Fed's Lacker was talking about, he made a statement last night that he thinks that, the Fed's going to have to raise rates in 2013 and not in 2014 as the FOMC has indicated. And to me, the stock market has been running so hot, it's been disconnected, I think, from the corporate profit story. And
Which is slowing down, profit growth story is slowing down.
Right, sharply. And I think Lacker, I think the Fed has kind of sent him out to sort of maybe temper expectations a little bit for the stock market.
Be the advance guard.
Right.
Yeah, well, inflation might be an issue,